Okay, for this last topic, I'm not going to be working in my workbook at all. Reason being is you need to use some grid paper in order to be copying out your Cartesian plane. So you should have either got a grid booklet in your book pack, or your teacher will provide you with some grid paper in class. If you have any questions, just ask your teacher. It's a little bit easier to show you in the classroom how to draw up these Cartesian planes. And if you're having any trouble or anything like that, still look in the textbook and have a look at the examples in there, because they can be quite helpful. So for this question, it says, for the Cartesian plane given, write down the coordinates of the points labelled A through to H. So when you're looking at a Cartesian plane, you have the x-axis and you have the y-axis. You always start your recording on the x-axis. So if you think of a baby, you've got to learn how to crawl before you can climb. Okay, so in the instance of A, our point is 2. So how we record these is we just simply write down 2 and then a comma, and on the y-axis its point is -1. Okay, and that's your answer. It's as simple as that. For B, we've got on the x-axis it has a number of 3, and on the x-axis it has a number of -2. For C, okay, on the x-axis we have 0. Okay, so if it's on the line it's 0, okay, the point of origin, and on the y-axis it's got a point of -4. Then for D, here on the x-axis we're at -2, and on the y-axis we're at +2. Oops, that's 3, +2. So I'll let you do the rest of those, E, F, G and H. Pretty straightforward. Like I said, any trouble with drawing up your planes, ask your teacher in class. That's the best point of call for this topic.